Glofish tetras are vibrant, lively, and enjoyable to observe. But how can you tell when they're ready to breed? In this video, I'll explain the clear indicators that your Glofish Tetra is getting ready to spawn. Male Glofish Tetras become excited when a female is ready to breed. They will chase her around the tank, stay close by her side, and sometimes show brighter colors. They tend to be more active in the morning. Tetras naturally spawn at sunrise, so if your fish are especially lively in the morning, swimming in circles and darting together, it's a strong sign that breeding is approaching. They begin swimming near plants or spawning mops. The female becomes restless. A female preparing to spawn may swim quickly, stop abruptly, and appear restless or selective about where she stays. This means she's getting ready to lay eggs. For successful breeding, transfer them to a separate breeding tank with soft, slightly warm water, dim lighting, plants or marbles to protect the eggs, plenty of swimming space since tetras scatter their eggs and adults might eat them. Keeping them separated is essential. That's how you can tell your Glofish Tetra is ready to breed. With the right signs and environment, you'll soon have a tank full of tiny glowing fry.